So I just added in some more shaving cream to this one.
Welcome to part 2.
Yep.
What's the plan?
So I added in some more shaving cream because this one will get lighter. So I just added in some more shaving cream. Oh, it's getting lighter. Don't you see it? So yeah, and then I'm gonna add some lotion. Oh yeah, forgot.
I'm gonna go to bed now.
Okay, I'll tell you when it's ready.
Is it ready yet?
No, go to bed.
Alright.
So now I just add some more. Oh, it's lighter. So since yellow and pink are really dark, they're not dark. That's why I didn't get yellow and pink. Okay, so they're all light now. Since I added in foam soap, now let's add in more foam soap. So this one's already.
I feel like you're putting lotion in.
I'm not.
Oh, good.
Okay, come here. I'll show you it.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay, then go to bed.
Oh,
Be quiet.
I'm just walking to my room.
Well, you're being so loud.
So are you.
No, I'm not. So I just added in some foam soap. So I have not been cheating like this whole challenge. I'm not a cheater. Okay, so it's so stretchy now. Now I'm going to make the color into what I want. So, wait, my hand. Okay, now let's add in our lotion. Tell me when the video has to be over.
Chicken and macaroni.
Be quiet! We have part,
We'll be back for the grand finale.
and I'm gonna add in lotion to all of them.
And we're gonna fix this rat nest of a slime.
Yep, so peace.